Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to add your Boots card to Apple Wallet. Even though Apple Wallet doesn't let you add store cards directly. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for an app called Stock Card. Download and install the app. Open the Stock Card. On the home screen, tap the plus or add button at the top right corner. Search for Boots in the list of store cards and select it. You can now scan your Boots card using your iPhone camera or enter the card details manually. Once added, tap Save, and your Boots card will now appear in Apple Wallet through Stock Card. And that's it. That's how to add your Boots card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.